10. Best Hulah Dating App. Alternatives. Tired of facing the same issues on Hulah, like limited options or frustrating matches? Or maybe you're simply looking for something fresh? In this video, we'll cover 10 amazing Hulah dating app alternatives that can help you find meaningful connections without all the annoyances. Be sure to watch the whole video because there is a surprise waiting for you at the end. 10. Tinder is famous for its quick swiping feature, but it's not just for casual connections anymore. With its paid options, you can meet people who are looking for something more serious. 9. Bumble lets women make the first move, which creates a more respectful and empowering environment. It's perfect for those tired of being bombarded by unwanted messages. 8. OkCupid's detailed questionnaires allow you to connect with others based on shared interests and values. It's a great app for people who prefer quality over quantity. 7. Hinge encourages users to share more about themselves by responding to prompts, making it easier to start a meaningful conversation. This app is designed to be deleted, meaning people are serious about finding relationships. 6. Match.com has been around for years, offering a more traditional dating experience. With a vast user base and detailed profiles, it's perfect for anyone looking for long-term commitment. 5. With a huge community and easy-to-use interface. Plenty of Fish helps you meet singles quickly. It's ideal for those who want a more casual or serious relationship without all the hassle. 4. If you're looking for someone with a high level of education and career focus, Elite Singles is your best bet. The app uses detailed matchmaking algorithms to match you with highly compatible individuals. 3. Harmony takes compatibility seriously with its comprehensive questionnaire and detailed matchmaking system. It's known for helping people find long-term relationships and even marriage. Do you like our tips so far? Like and subscribe to our channel to discover more secrets about online dating. Or why not join our free dating community? The link is in the description. Now let's continue. 2. Zoosk offers a fun, engaging way to meet people through its behavioral matchmaking feature. The app learns your preferences the more you use it, making your experience more personalized over time. 1. If you're looking for a unique twist, Tandem lets you connect with people globally while practicing languages. Perfect for someone who wants to meet international partners and learn new languages at the same time. Bonus number 1, Happen connects you with people you've crossed paths with in real life. It's a great choice for those who believe in fate and want to meet people nearby. Bonus 2. Coffee Meets Bagel offers daily matches based on your profile and preferences. The app encourages more thoughtful conversations, helping you connect on a deeper level. You are welcome to join our free international dating community. The link is in the description and comments. Is our video helpful to you? Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get more tips about online dating. Want to know more secrets about online dating? Watch these videos next.